Includes 265 cables. Brand new shrink tubing. Help ensure safety while reducing noise. Fit all summit climbing tree stands. Sport type, hunting. 65-inch cables. 8 stop sleeves and new shrink tubing. Sold in pairs. Top reviews from the United States. Different from original but perform about the same. The cable diameter is slightly smaller than the original. The stop sleeves on the cable are the same diameter and perform as original. Since the cable diameter is slightly smaller, the loop behind the tree has a slight droop compared to the original. I have had no problems climbing with these new cables with the droop. My climbing tree stand instructions state even if plastic coating comes off, cables are safe to use as long as there is no cable fray. My old cables have no fray and I am going to try to put new heat shrink tubing on to have a backup set.